Jennifer here from Balloon. So today I'm going to show you how to create an event on Balloon from start to finish. Once you've visited our website, you'll go ahead and create an account. I've already created an account, but you can do so through Gmail or any social media platform. After you've created an account, go ahead over to Balloon Manager, which is our dashboard for the event details and analytics. You'll go ahead and create an organization, so name and email address. After you create an organization, you'll head over to events and start creating your event. I've already set up an event just to show you what the end results will look like. So here's my event. It's Machine Learning Summit. This area is reception. Under reception, you'll have a welcome note for your attendees. You'll have the agenda, sponsors, and exhibitors. On the left side, you'll see that we have three main functions. The first is watch, which is the main stage. Your attendees can head over to any of the different events happening. Once they are watching, they can go ahead and give feedback to the speakers. Then on network, which we have two functions by default. Network has one-to-one sessions and then cocktail tables. And then exhibitors, you'll see here, they'll have full profiles. They can have videos, they'll have attachments, and then your guests can go ahead and register. On the right-hand side, we have our chat box, the agenda, sponsors, and speakers. Now let's go ahead and create your event. So once you return back to Balloon Manager, you'll head over to Events, Create. So I'll just go ahead and create the same event, so Machine Learning Summit. Event category in this case is technology. Your logo and main image. So you'll add these two. Add a description, short and sweet, if you like. So my start date is October 1st, 10 a.m. And then until the 3rd at 6 p.m. Time zone, let's do Central Time. And then the currency is the currency that your attendees are paying for their tickets in. So for the primary color, we do recommend to start with a lighter shade just so that it's more compatible with the user experience. So I will go ahead with a light blue. So as I mentioned earlier, we have three main functions: Watch, Network, and Expo. You can change the names of these, and you can decide if you only want 2 or 3. It's entirely up to you, and you can come back to it later on if you decide to add another function. So I'll go ahead and select all 3, then add your social media details as well as your website. So one other function that we do have on this stage is you can display whether you want the attendees and registrations to show to all users. I'm going to go ahead and select both. For the event type, this refers to if you want to display your event on joinballoon.com, so any attendee can go onto our website and see the events that are upcoming. I'll go ahead and put this as public, so anyone can feel free to attend. After you've created your event, let's go ahead and create your ticket. So as an example, I'll do free tickets. And I'll start selling them today until the last day of the event. And I'm going to keep this at 100 available tickets. And then for reception, this is the welcome note that I referred to earlier. So let's say, after you've entered in your reception message, I'm going to go over to sponsor tiers. So on Balloon, we have 3 sponsor tiers. You are able to change the name of these, so let's go ahead and change them. For bronze, I will say this is Media Partners. Then we can go back. I'll change silver to Main Partners. And then lastly, let's change gold to strategic partners. So after you've created all 3 sponsor tiers, let's go ahead and add your sponsors. So to start off, I will add Facebook as one of our sponsors, add their image. So all of their social media details, website, and email for anyone that wants to receive notifications for attendees to reach out to. So created that one. Let's add 2 more. Samsung as a main partner. And then lastly, we'll add Microsoft as a strategic partner. After you've added all of your sponsors, let's head over to speakers. So speakers do have to confirm that they're willing to speak, but you can go ahead and send them an invite. So I'm gonna add Elon as one of our speakers. So go ahead and invite him. They will receive a message from Balloon saying they've been invited to speak at this event. So as soon as they confirm, then we can then add them to the schedule. So I'm gonna head over to stages. So I will add the main stage, and the sponsor of the main stage will be Microsoft. So let's make the main stage image a Microsoft image. You can add all of the details of the stage. So the video provider, we have 4 different video provider options. Balloon Studio, which is our own for live streaming, YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia. So after you've decided which video provider you want to do, you'll just need to add the URL of the video. And then let's head over to networking. As I showed you before, we do by default have 2 different networking options. By this section, you just need to add the duration. So we have the minimum of 30 and the maximum of 180. Let's make the sponsor of this function Facebook. And then lastly, we'll go ahead and add Expo, which are your exhibitors. So in this, let's add OpenAI as one of our exhibitors. And we have 3 different exhibitor tiers, basic, premium, premium plus. We'll make them premium plus. And then we can go ahead and add their logo. You can add a description. Then we'll head over to next. So we do need to add an email here, Jennifer. So then you'll add all of their social media and website links. And here the exhibitors can have videos. You'll just go ahead and add the video ID. You'll have an exhibitor banner here. I'll show you how that looks like. In this case, we'll do this one. Add a PDF, so your attendees that come visit the exhibitor space can read more about what you have to offer. They can export that PDF. So we'll go ahead and save the exhibitor details. So I've added every single function here. I filled in each one. So since we've completed all of that, I do want to go head over to preview so we can check out the event. So here again, you're in your reception area. We have the welcome message, sponsors, and exhibitors. On the watch section, we have the Microsoft session. So I can go ahead as soon as the session begins, I can watch it. I'll give my feedback. Of course, I love it. Hello. Then we'll head over to network, created my details. I'm going to go ahead and network with one of the attendees. So we do match each attendee with another. As soon as you're matched, you go ahead and chat for 30 seconds or more, depending on the minimum and maximum of each session that you selected. I'll create a cocktail table. My table is Jennifer's table. Confirm, and then 3 other attendees can join. Attendees just need to put their microphone and videos on. So I'm done with that. Then heading over to Expo. We have the exhibitors profiles. As an attendee, I can go ahead and register my interest. This will get sent to the exhibitor. I can attach, or I can export the PDF. On the right, you'll go ahead and hello there. You can chat with the fellow attendees. And then we have the agenda, sponsors, speakers. And there you go. That's your event on Balloon. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on the chat or by email at hello@joinballoon.com. Thanks for attending. See you later.